I baru balik lepak dengan kawan I. So let's get ready with me and remove this makeup. I've been using this product for quite some time and nak bagi I punya honest review. First is my all-time favourite cleansing oil. Since I dah jumpa ni, I tak guna yang lain dah. Tak pedih mata, senang nak remove, and even pakai waterproof makeup pun dia boleh cair macam ice cream. Ni I pakai waterproof mascara and waterproof lipstick. Rinse with water and you're done. This hydrating lotion MVP. Bila you pakai tu sangat-sangat hydrating. Kulit licin and plumpy je lepas pakai. Dah serum ni always out of stock sebab best kot. Function dia pudarkan bintik hitam and boleh repair you punya skin barrier. This hydrating water gel soothing and hydrating. Dan bila pakai tu senang sangat meresap dalam kulit. Tak sampai seminit. See? Dia dah meresap. Last but not least, Eye Snow Dew. Yang ni dia ada cooling effect. Function dia untuk hydrate area mata you. And this is how my skin looks like lepas dah pakai semua tu. Cantik. Korang pernah try tak this one? Kalau pernah, cuba bagi korang punya feedback.